Let's now go to visual diagnosis of the skin. Let's discuss tinea Western pathology and diagnosis. Tinea, Western pathology and diagnosis. The most common fungal infection is tinea. Tinea presents with disc-like lesions consisting of a clearly defined round erythema that extends outwards and often is clear in the center. There is itching and some scaling. There are many types of tinea, including the following. Tinea corporis of the body, characterized by single or multiple plaques with scaling and erythema, especially at the edges. The lesions enlarge slowly with central clearing, leaving a ring pattern, hence the name ringworm. It may also manifest with pustules and vesicles. Tinea cruris of the groin, characterized by scaling and erythema in the groin area that spreads to the upper thigh. Tinea manuum of the hand, characterized by unilateral, diffuse, powdery scaling of the palm. Next is tinea capitis of the head, characterized by an inflamed pustular swelling of the scalp. Tinea pedis, Atlas foot, characterized by an itchy interdigital maceration with vesicles. And the last is tinea unguium of the nails, characterized by separation of the nail from the nail bed, thickening and brittleness of the nail, which becomes yellow, and subungual hyperkeratosis. Thank you for your attention.